Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat chef. As you can see right now, I'm sitting here freezing. I still got my heaters, but still, it is right now 23 degrees with a real feel about 11. So, and I had to work today, so that means I got called in at 6:15 this morning, had to go out there in that 10-degree weather. And we've been having little snow flurries all day, but it's not sticking. And put in 10 hours. So I came home and I'm trying to edit this video, so let's get to it. Alright, today's video is about my chicken strips and sauteed cabbage spinach wraps, which you'll see in a moment, my weigh in, and one of my subscribers made one of my recipes and sent the pictures. So let's get to it, alright? Here you go. Be right back. Okay, this is how I make my fried cabbage. And this is very healthy. This ham right here, it's a breakfast ham that I cubed up. It is grown locally and processed locally and cured locally, and then it's sold to us all locals. I'm going to put some roasted garlic, onions, red pepper and green pepper, mushrooms, of course the cabbage. I'm going to be using, again, these spices. So is unclestevesshake, the spicy R. I will be using oregano. I still can never have enough garlic. I love this roasted garlic and herb as well. And of course, to give it a little bit of kick, Tony's Creole seasoning. Alright, let's get started. I'll get the camera set up so you can watch me cook it. Alright, be right back. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get this all fried up just a little bit before we start adding all the other stuff. This ham is very good. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy is going in my frying pan and eat it all the way down this road. Gives it a good flavor. So you know this is fresh when it's grown locally, processed locally, cured locally. It's only about 10 minutes from here in a small town called Catawba. They have a big, huge store right off the highway there. Get this going here. Alright. Be back in a few moments when I add the veggies. Okay, next we're going to add the vegetables. I add the onions first. Get them stirred up. By the way, this is done all in coconut oil. Still sticking with my diet. I'm going to turn this down because I'm going to add the garlic. I don't want it to burn my garlic. I just want to cook it all in together. And of course, y'all know. Oh shoot! Well, big blooper. Oh boy, I'm doing really good there. I love my garlic, as I was about to say. It didn't want to be. And this is roasted garlic, which is very good. Turn it up just a little bit more. Then add the green peppers and red peppers. Gives it that good flavor. I'm going to try this ham real quick. Oh, that is really good. Especially with that garlic on it. Then I put in the mushrooms. Mushrooms don't take as long to cook. Break up that one up there. Hope you guys can see this pretty good. It hasn't gone out of focus. Okay, be back when this is ready for the cabbage. Okay, we're ready to put in the cabbage. Doesn't that still look good? You should be smelling it. This don't take as long because cabbage don't take long to fry up. Oops, got something on my hand there. Let that cook down a little bit before I add it in the next part. You have to add a little bit more coconut oil, but you shouldn't have to. I put in about a tablespoon. And then with the juice from the vegetables cooking, as they're cooking, of course they release all those juices. And then with the ham cooking as well, there is a little bit of fat on it, but it's very lean ham. It's very tender, very good. I'll get the name for you and I'll put it down here at the bottom of the screen of the name of the ham and where you can get it. You can order from them, they will ship. Alright, adding the rest of the cabbage here. And now I add the seasonings, so it can cook along with it. Okay, first we're going to do the spicy R, Uncle Steve's shake. Yes, I like kicking this. The oregano. Now, of course, can't go wrong with more garlic. Garlic and herb. I love this seasoning. Again, it's made by Weber. So, of course, by the Weber Grill people. Roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And some Tonys. Put some spice into this. When this is done, I got one more seasoning to put in. That's my secret. And you ain't gonna believe where I get it from. Alright, be back in a moment. But doesn't that look good already? Be back in a moment when it's completed. Alright, be right back. Okay, this is done to my liking because I still like a little bit of crispiness, as I said before, in my vegetables and especially my cabbage. It has that wilty effect, but it still has that little bit of a crunch. And look how good this is. Look at all that mixed in together. Also down in the oven, I do have my chicken strips that I made up for the week. They are being baked this time instead of fried. Has the same seasonings as on before with the fried, but I wanted to make it baked. And the other thing I have in there is the Pam, low-fat Pam coating spray in it. And let it cook in its own juices. That should be coming out any moment as well. I'll take a picture of it and post it right here as well. Okay, turn this off. Now, have you ever seen, let me get one that I haven't opened up. Have you ever seen these chow meins? This is a Kung Pao chicken sauce. I opened up the package, threw away the noodles, because I wanted the sauce. I can't have the noodles right now, but I've had these packages for quite a while. Just put that sauce all over it and mix it well. I've already turned off the heat. Whoops, it needs to be opened up a little bit more because it has all the other seasonings in it. There we go. I can still feel the seasonings in it. I love this Kung Pao sauce. I only need a little bit. Stir it in, and it gives it a good flavor. Instead of having noodles, I'm having my cabbage. Okay, I'm back. Now I'm going to show you. See that plate? That's a normal size plate. Now I want you to see the size of this. It's bigger than that plate. So I cut it down to half. She thought I was going to make some huge wraps when I told her what I wanted. No. That's okay, because I could use them. I cut it down in half. And it's still kind of large, but I saved the rest for later. And now this is how I make up my wrap. It's going to be like a half a wrap, but a full wrap. I take some of the chicken, I put right here. Take some of these vegetables and put right on top. As you can see, I don't usually use too much. This has been my serving size of meal. So, total calories probably for this is maybe 200 calories at the most. 200 to 250, because everything is all natural in this. And it's so easy to make. There's she told me that for the 12 of these, she's probably got maybe a half a cup of flour total. The rest is all grounded spinach that she used to incorporate this. It does have the salt that of course is needed. She told me the ingredients. I can't remember all of it, but the one I was worried about the most was the flour. But as much as it got spread out, and as much spinach as she's got in here, it helps contradict it. Unfortunately, I can't get away from the flour completely. But there's that. I do keep the rest of the chicken on the side of that strip. That's one strip. And it's probably 2 tablespoons. I forgot to add just a little more ham there. It's about two of these tablespoons of my cabbage, fried cabbage. That's my meal. And it is wonderful. I just wrap it up like this. Over to the side and back over. And just to let you know, sometimes by the time I get down here, I don't even finish the rest of this tortilla either, because all this is more than enough for me. The rest I put away. I freeze half of it because I can't eat all of it at once. I don't want it to spoil, so I freeze about half of it. Takes me about 2 days for at least half. No, about 3 days for about at least half of this. Then I'll defrost just a little bit more, and so forth. And this will last me the whole week. Alright, let me get back with you, and after I get done eating this, and we'll discuss more. Alright, bye-bye. Or not bye-bye, just be right back. Now, wasn't that recipe, doesn't that look good? Trust me, it was. Oh my God, the flavoring with that ham was wonderful. And I got quite a bit in the refrigerator and freezer for me to eat this week. That's my meals for this week. Alright, now on to the weigh-in. Check it out. Okay, let's do my weigh-in. Hopefully you can see it. $197.6. Oh, hell yes. Oh, wow. I'm proud. Alright. See you in a few minutes. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm losing weight. Yes. Alright. I'm only, probably about, let's see, about 17 pounds from my goal weight by April 1st. Hopefully I can hit that goal weight beforehand, and then maybe we can work on my second goal. We'll take care of it. We'll worry about that at that time. Alright. The subscriber that made my recipe is Roland and Beth from Getting It Done North of 7. I'm going to post a card up here, and also I'm going to post an end card at the end of this video. You need to go check them out. This guy's got some awesome editing skills. Now he's just it looks like he's just starting out. He needs some subscribers, so if you wait till you see his channel. It's really cool, and cool people too. Alright, so here's what they made. My chicken and my spinach, my sauteed spinach. And he even set up the plate the same way I did. Space. Alright, I want to thank you all for watching this video. And thank you all for supporting this channel by subscribing. If you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Click that little notification bell so you can get more of my videos. And then click a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Introduce yourself. I enjoy talking to everybody. Alright. You all have an awesome, awesome day. And I want to thank you again for watching this video.